what is the value of W, given that we have root of W over W equals 6? We have root of W over W equals 6 over 1. So when we cross multiply, we have root of W equals 6 times W. We have root of W equals 6W. To eliminate these roots, let's square both sides. So when we square both sides, this we cancel out this, we have W. This will be 6 square times W square. We have W equals 36W square. Let's rearrange this expression. We have 36W square equals W. Let's take this one here. We have 36W square minus W. Let's set this side to be equal to 0. Let's factor W outside. We have W. 36W square divided by this, we have 36W minus W divided by W will be 1. This will be equal to 0. For this expression to be equal to 0, or for this side, either we have W to be equal to 0. When we multiply with 0, here will be 0. Or we have 36W minus 1 to be equal to 0. So when we have this as well, we are going to have this to be equal to 0. So from here we have W to be equal to 0 as the first solution. Then from here we have 36W equals 1 by collecting the like term. So dividing 2 by 36, this will cancel out this. So we have W to be 1 over 36. Then we also have W to be equal to 0. This is the solution. Then to check, we have to verify when we have roots W over W equals 6 and W equals 0. Let's verify root of 0 over 0, then it's going to give us 6. Root of 0 is 0 over 0, then it's going to give us 6. 0 divided by 0 will give us 0. This does not equal to 6. So therefore, we cancel this solution. Let's verify this. So we have when W equals 1 over 36, then we have root of W over W is going to give us 6. From here, we have roots of 1 over 36 divided by 1 over 36. From here, when we have root of 1 over A equals root of 1 over root of A. Root of 1 is 1 over root of A. So from here we have 1 over root of 36 divided by 1 over 36. Then the question now is it going to give us 6? Then it's going to give us 6. So from this side, we have 36 as perfect square to be 6 to the power of 2. So we have 1 over root of 6 square. It's going to give us, divided by 1 over 36, then it's going to give us 6. So we have this, will cancel out this. We have 1 over 6 divided by 1 over 36. Is it going to give us 36? So is it going to give us 6? So from here, we have 1 over 6 times this reciprocal will change to 36 over 1. Then 36 times 1 will give us 36 over 6, which equals 6. 36 over 6 is 6 equals 6. Therefore, this is correct.